Hey guys, so I just wanted to show you some different options on getting crisp corners when you're sewing. And the first one is, I think, probably the classic one where you find your corner here and you cut across, trying not to, of course, get into the seam. And then you want to just turn it. And I'll use this little screwdriver, see if that's sharp enough to get my corner punched out. And then this side's on the fold, but we'll go ahead and kind of poke that out too. Okay, that's the one that I say is just your classic way to get your corner. And it's pretty sharp. Okay, so you're going to fold on your thread line, back and then around, so that you have that corner made, and then turn it, trying to hold on to that. I may have to use this to help me. So when you compare the corners, the advantage to me on folding is the seam is less likely to ravel out in there and cause a hole. This way it's still nice and flat. It's still a good corner. But I just feel more secure knowing that I didn't cut near my seam. Okay, so I did this corner just normally. When I approach this corner, I want to put in a piece of thread. Let me get a little closer. Okay, I want to open this up. And I want to lay a piece of thread inside. And pull that back over. I want to pull it as close to that needle as I can, so that whenever I take the next round with the needle, it's on the other side of that thread. Then I want to come around and I will pull that thread again. Each time I'm keeping that thread right against the needle. And then I'm going to take one more stitch. And then just finish out. I think this would be used more for clothing. Okay, so now we're going to turn this. And on this one, you could clip it if you want. I'm going to try it not clipping it. or you know what, we will clip, because if you're sewing clothing, your seams are going to be narrower. So I'm going to go ahead, just like this was a piece of clothing, and I'm just going to trim it to what the seam would normally be, because I have a thick seam in here. I have a wider seam than normal if you were sewing on clothes. On clothes, your seam's going to be about like that. Okay, so now we'll go ahead and turn it. And you're going to see that our threads are in there. Okay, so now you can take that thread and give it a tug. And look at that sharp, 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 sharp. You can only get that with using the thread. These look good. When you first see these, you think, yeah, that looks really good. But when you use the thread, look how sharp that corner, whoops, look how sharp that corner is compared to these two. So depending on your project, of course, which method you might want to use. So anyway, guys, just like to show you some little tricks when you're sewing, whether you're a beginner or maybe you've been sewing for a while but you didn't know the thread trick. So I just like to show you guys little things like this in short videos. So this is the 3 ways that I do corners. Have a great day.